the ultimate kitchen gadgets that chefs love. First up, an essential addition to any modern kitchen, a large, highly absorbent draining pad. This isn't just about keeping your work surface clean and dry. It's about bringing efficiency to your everyday tasks, making cleanup a breeze. Transitioning seamlessly into our next item, a smart kitchen seasoning storage rack. Easy to slide and perfectly sized, this rack streamlines your cooking process, keeping your spices organized and within arm's reach. Next, meet a kitchen superhero, a multifunctional pair of scissors boasting 5 stainless steel layers. From slicing through herbs to opening bottles, these are your one-stop solution for numerous kitchen chores. Coming up next is a 6-grid rotating grain storage dispenser. Compact yet spacious, this dispenser delivers a unique blend of style and functionality, simplifying meal prep and storage. This organizer brings order to your sink, reducing clutter and enhancing your kitchen's overall efficiency.